Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Lab channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Elena.
Hello, Elena, and a big hello to all our amazing listeners around the world. I'm so happy to be here.
It's wonderful to see you, Pavel. You look very energetic today.
Do I? Well, I am feeling good. I had a very large coffee this morning.
Ah, coffee, the magic drink. We always seem to talk about coffee.
We do, but today, Elena, the coffee is part of our story.
Oh, is it? Yes. Today we have a very exciting topic. It's fast, it's loud, and it's busy.
Ooh, I think I know. Are we talking about the city?
Yes, exactly. Daily routine in a big city.
That's a great topic. Many of our listeners live in big cities, and life there is very different from small towns. Everything is faster.
Much faster. We'll talk about commuting, traffic, crowds, and some special city words.
It sounds like fun, but Elena, before we jump into busy city life,
Yes, Pavel?
we have a small favor to ask our friends listening.
Oh, yes. Please, everyone, if you enjoy learning English with us, click the like button.
It's a small click for you, but a big help for us.
And please subscribe to the Easy English Lab channel. We want to help you every week.
And share this episode with your friends. Maybe they want to learn about city life too.
Yes, thank you so much. Okay, Pavel, let's start.
Let's go. So, Elena, imagine a big city. New York, London, Tokyo, Sao Paulo.
Okay, I'm imagining it. Tall buildings, lots of cars.
Yes, and how does the day start in a big city?
Well, for me, it starts with an alarm clock, a very loud one.
Right. In the city, we often wake up very early.
We have to because we have a commute.
Ah, that's a good word. Commute. Can you explain it, Elena?
Of course, your commute is your journey to work, the travel from your house to your office.
Yes, and in a big city, the commute can be an adventure.
An adventure or a nightmare?
Sometimes a nightmare. How do you commute, Elena? Do you drive?
No. Driving in the city is too difficult. The traffic is terrible.
I agree. So you take public transport?
Yes, I take the subway.
The subway, the train under the ground.
Exactly. In London, it's the tube. In other places, the metro. But here we say subway.
I take the subway too, but I have a love-hate relationship with it.
Why? What do you hate?
The crowds in the morning at 8 a.m. It's rush hour.
Oh, rush hour. That's an important phrase.
Yes, rush hour is the time when everyone is traveling to work. It's very busy. People everywhere.
Everywhere. On the platform, on the stairs, and inside the train. Sometimes you can't sit down.
Sit down, Elena? I never sit down in rush hour. I always stand.
Me too. You stand, hold a handle, and you're very close to other people.
Very close. Sometimes too close.
Yes, we're packed like sardines.
Packed like sardines. That's a funny expression. It means we're very tight together, like fish in a can.
It's not comfortable, but the subway is fast.
That's true. It's faster than a bus. Do you ever take the bus, Pavel?
Sometimes, if I'm not in a hurry. I like the bus because I can see the city.
That's nice. On the subway, you only see the dark tunnel.
Yes, on the bus, you look out the window. You see the shops and the people.
But the bus has a problem.
What's the problem?
Traffic jams.
Traffic jams. I hate traffic jams.
When there are too many cars and they stop moving, it's frustrating. You just sit there. Beep, beep. Everyone is honking.
Honking. That's the sound of the car horn. The city is a very noisy place, isn't it?
It's very loud. Cars honking, sirens from police cars, people talking, construction.
There's always construction in a big city.
Always. Someone is always fixing the road or building a new skyscraper.
Skyscraper. I love that word.
It's a good one. A skyscraper is a very, very tall building. It seems to touch the sky.
When I look up at skyscrapers, I feel very small.
Me too, but they're beautiful at night when the lights are on.
Yes, very beautiful. Okay, so we survived the commute. We arrive at the office. We drink our coffee.
Of course, the second coffee of the day, and then we work. But Pavel, what about lunch?
Lunch in the city. There are so many choices.
Too many choices. It's hard to decide. Do you bring your lunch from home?
Sometimes to save money, like we talked about in our money episode.
Good job, Elena. You're budgeting.
Yes, but sometimes I like to buy lunch.
Me too. In the city, we have food trucks.
I love food trucks. They're like small kitchens on wheels.
They park on the street. You can buy tacos, burgers, sandwiches, and it's usually delicious and fast.
Yes, speed is important in the city. Everyone is in a hurry.
That's true. Have you noticed that everyone walks very fast?
Yes, if you walk slowly, people get annoyed. They say, "Excuse me, move please."
It's the hustle and bustle.
Oh, that's a nice phrase. Hustle and bustle. It means the busy activity and noise of a place.
The city has a lot of hustle and bustle. It has a special energy.
It makes me feel awake, but also a little tired.
Yes, so after work, the commute again.
Yes, the journey home. Everyone is tired.
The subway is quiet. People are looking at their phones, reading books, or sleeping.
I've seen people sleep standing up on the subway.
It's a talent.
So, Pavel, we're home, but the city doesn't sleep.
No, they say the city that never sleeps. That's a famous expression about New York, but it's true for many big cities. There's always something to do. Restaurants, cinemas, theaters, shopping malls open late.
Do you go out a lot in the evening, Pavel?
On Friday, yes. During the week, I like my sofa.
I understand. But sometimes it's nice to meet friends for dinner.
It is. And in the city, you can find food from every country.
Yes, Italian, Chinese, Indian, Mexican, it's wonderful. You can travel the world just by eating dinner.
That's my favorite part of the city, the diversity.
Me too. Different people, different languages, different food.
But Elena, sometimes the city is too much.
Too much noise, too much concrete. Yes, sometimes I need nature.
Ah, green space.
Yes, where do you go when you need nature in the city?
I go to the park. Every big city has a big park.
Like Central Park in New York or Hyde Park in London.
Exactly. It's like an oasis.
An oasis, a quiet place in the middle of the noise.
I like to sit on a bench, watch the birds, eat a sandwich.
And you forget about the traffic.
Yes, for 1 hour it's peaceful.
That's important, to find balance.
Balance is the key. The city is exciting, but you need to relax too. Elena, do you think you could live in a small town?
That's a difficult question. A quiet town with no subway, no skyscrapers. Maybe when I'm older. But right now, I like the energy of the city.
You like the hustle and bustle.
I do. What about you?
I think the same. I complain about rush hour.
We all do.
But I love the convenience. Everything is near. The shops, the doctors, the entertainment.
Yes, if you want a cookie at midnight, I can buy a cookie.
That is very important. Emergency cookies.
Exactly.
You know, Elena, there's another thing about city routine.
What's that?
The fashion.
Oh, yes. People dress very nicely, especially in business areas. Men in suits, women in smart dresses. It's like a fashion show every morning.
But also, people wear strange clothes and nobody cares.
That's true. You can wear anything you want. A funny hat, bright colors. The city is very accepting.
I like that. You can be yourself.
So, Pavel, let's review some of our city words today.
Good idea. We have commute, the trip to work. We have rush hour, the busy travel time. We have subway and traffic jam. And skyscraper, the very tall building. And hustle and bustle, the busy energy.
These are great words for our listeners.
Yes, if you visit a big city, you'll hear these words and see the crowds.
Don't get lost in the crowd.
Oh, I have a tip for that.
A tip for not getting lost?
Yes, if you're lost in a big city, look for a map on your phone.
Elena, that is a very modern tip.
It works. Or ask someone, "Excuse me, where is the subway station?"
Excuse me, where is the best coffee shop?
Priorities. Coffee first.
Always coffee first.
Well, talking about the city makes me want to go out.
Really? Where do you want to go?
I want to walk in the park and maybe buy a pretzel from a food truck.
That sounds like a perfect afternoon.
It does, but sadly, our time is almost finished.
Oh no, the time goes so fast in the city and on the podcast.
It really does, but this was a great conversation. I enjoyed it very much. I hope our listeners did too.
Me too. We want to know about you listeners. Yes, we have a question for you today. Do you live in a big city or a small town?
And what's your favorite part of your city or town? Maybe you like the quiet, or maybe you like the noise. Tell us in the comments. We love to read your stories.
Yes, please write to us. It's great practice for your English writing.
And share this episode with your friends. Maybe your friend who takes the subway.
Yes, thank you so much for listening, everyone. You are all fantastic.
Have a wonderful day in your city or your town.
Bye for now. See you next time.
Goodbye.